special beef cutlet recipe. Tasty and easy beef cutlet. We need only few ingredients to make this yummy beef snack recipe. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 400 grams of beef without bones. Add 1 teaspoon oil, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid. Cook on medium flame for 5 whistles. After 5 whistles, switch off the flame. Leave it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Beef has cooked well. Drain the water by squeezing with your hands. Transfer it into a grinder jar. Coarse grind it. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is in hot, change it to low flame and add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute it for a minute on low flame. After 1 minute, add 3 medium-sized chopped onion, 2 chopped green chilies, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Saute it for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, keep it low flame and then we can add the masalas. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala powder. Mix it well. Saute it on low flame for a minute. Now add the crushed beef to it. Also add 300 grams smashed potato. Also add 1 teaspoon salt and mix it well. You can check the salt level and add more salt based on your needs. Transfer it into a bowl. Mix it well with your hands nicely. Now spread some oil in your hands and then take the mix and make cutlet shapes like this.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
We need 1 beaten egg and breadcrumbs for coating. First, we need to dip the shaped mix in the egg batter and then coat them with the breadcrumbs. Now we can fry them. In a pan, take 4 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is in hot, add the coated pieces and fry them on medium flame. Make sure the oil is hot before dipping them. Fry until it turns to light golden brown color. Now transfer them into a serving plate. Our special beef cutlet recipe is ready. Tasty and easy beef cutlet. We need only few ingredients to make this yummy beef snack recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.